So we picked up this bag that is designed to kind of keep your home cleaning supply products in. It's a great size. It's got a handle here so you can carry it around. It's got ample pockets on the outside. Got this great pocket here on the outside, mesh. And this one here, and you've got a little zipper pocket here. Okay. Then inside, oh, we've got handles here. So you've got the handles that you can carry it like this, or you can put it and carry it on your shoulder so you can carry it around the house that way. And then inside, you've got a pocket here, a pocket here, a pocket here. Great to put like Swiffers and stuff in. And then this part here in the bottom, which comes out, right? And then it can fold down. It's collapsible that way. Then you just pop it out, put this back in, take this out and wash it off if it gets all grubby. Now, we're not planning to use this for necessarily cleaning supplies per se, sort of cleaning supplies. We're planning to put our vacuum cleaner parts in here. So I'm going to go grab those and put them in and show you what I'm thinking and see if that works for this. And then we'll put like, you know, maybe some Swiffers and stuff in also. But there's multi-uses for something like this. But this is a great size bag. Okay, I'm back. And it's a little hard to see, but so what I'm talking about here is we have a cordless vacuum. So here's the main part of the vacuum. This stays plugged in one area. But we have all the pieces to it. And they tend to get lost. So we got this bag to store all the pieces. So it even, and I wasn't planning on doing this, but it even houses this part. So that's great. But I'm going to take this out just so I can show you everything else that's in here. Inside, I have the extra filter, which I'm going to put in a different pocket, and the cord for right now, so I know where the cord is. And then the whole rest of this is empty. I've got this piece, and then I still have 2 empty pockets. All right, on this side, I've got one of the upholstery attachments. I've got the pet attachment, another upholstery attachment, and then I've got the hose for the other part of the pet attachment. So yeah, this worked out better than expected. Plenty of leftover room. So yeah, if you're looking for something that you can carry around the house with your cleaning supplies in it from room to room, no matter whether it's vacuum parts or normal everyday cleaning supplies, just to make it easier on you, I recommend checking this out. It may just fit all of your needs. I hope this review helps.